Well, good morning. This is William Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody out there is doing good. It is about 1:35 on Friday, March 7th, 2025. Hey, I'm a little late getting this out today. I came home from work. I got a phone call right after finishing my video yesterday and ended up going to work last night. Yay, overtime. Needless to say, I'm going to have a good paycheck. That's a good thing. The bad thing about it is I didn't get no rest. And I came home and yeah, I sat down. I ate at work. Free food at work. You know, boss says it ain't free, but yeah. Uh, anyway, I ate and then came home and sat down. The only good thing is I didn't have my shoes on. And yeah, needless to say, I was snoring in my bed and yeah, slept. Didn't wake up till about 11:30. Had to do some things and get some cooking done. Just got through eating. Hey, needless to say, now I need to go back to sleep and try to get to sleep so I can have enough rest for going in tonight and starting my regular work week. Hey, nothing like having 12 days straight of work between days off. Yeah, I've done it before. I can do it again. Hopefully, everybody won't be sick next week. Uh, don't know about you, but I'll take the overtime when it shows up and be happy for it. Because, well, I always need extra money. Well, no, I always need money. It ain't extra, it's just I got more. So, yeah. Tried to take and do my plane ticket yesterday after I got off the video. And I got it all set up and I'm looking at it. Even picked out a seat. And then I flipped back over to go and it put up there, hey, get this credit card to go with your car. So I tried the credit card. So, of course, crashed the damn web page and I had to start over again. Going through it again, it didn't get quite to the seat place, but the card showed up again. So I said, okay, I'll try. Twice it crashed. I think it has something to do with their website. So I didn't get my plane ticket bought yesterday. Although I'll probably have enough money, well, most of it. We'll see. Uh, the credit card did say that it went through and that they will get back with me. They are reviewing a couple things because of my address change. Such fun. Uh, we'll see. But yes, I actually was looking at them. And because of that, I was going over and looking at my uh, calendar for my paycheck. When does it come out as to when do I want to retire and when do I want to buy? And apparently, when I ran the numbers for that, I missed somewhere and I ended up off a week. So I would have ended up with a half a week or, half a paycheck instead of a whole paycheck. I don't know. The fun stuff. Now, do I want to stick with what I was doing or do I want to adjust and go early or go late? I don't know. We'll see. Uh, that's the fun part of life. Choosing, trying to see into the future what's going to be the best and trying to make the choices that are going to be beneficial the most beneficial. Yeah, we always get to choose. It's that nightmare called consequence that comes along and slaps us. So, yeah. And that's still kind of like I'm looking at that MacBook Air. Oh, I like that blue one. The base model, $999. And it's a pretty little blue thing. But I'm also looking at the M3s, a brand new one there, and wondering how much they're going to drop it down over the next week. Because I know they still got them. They just pulled them for a while, only giving you the choice of looking at, see this one, only this one. Yeah. We know that they still have some in stock. It's just not many. So, do I want to go with an M3 instead of the M4? Do I want to get a M2 or an M1? I'm still torn on that because the value is, I mean, it's a good computer from what I've been able to see. The M2s and M1s. The M1's even more liked than the M2 is. And you can save a lot of money on those. But if I get the M4, I won't need another laptop. Pretty sure it'll last 10 years. I mean, hey, I've had, you know, it's an old Dell, and I'm still running Linux on it. The battery doesn't last as long as it needs to, but guess I could buy a new battery. That is doable. Uh, but yeah, it is getting slower and older. And if I get the M4 one, that would be have enough life into it to last 10 years. Like I say, the Dell's 10 years old. My HP was 11 or 12, and I just got rid of it a couple months ago. My friend got it. So, yeah. My issue is Windows has finally pissed me off to the point I don't want nothing to do with Windows or Macintosh or Mac or not a Mac, but Intel. Although I was looking at some of those Snapdragons and such, but they're kind of like they have the ability, they do work, but they're not as robust. You can't keep as many pages open, and they lag. Last time I was up at Best Buy, I was checking them out, and yeah. If I do get something that isn't the Mac M version for a laptop, it would probably be one of the Snapdragon running Linux of some sort. And I even saw one of those up there. They were wanting an arm and a leg for it. It's like, do they understand that Linux is free distribution? Oh, but this is our special, stupid, proprietary version of Linux. Yeah. Go be stupid like Microsoft and Windows. So, yeah. Needless to say, things are getting weird. I sometimes really do wonder about what's going on in corporate. Saw somebody reviewing the iPhone 16e, the ones that's supposed to replace the SE phone, third gen SE phone. And they're like, it was talking bad about it. And I have to agree with them, looking at the parts list on that thing, it's pretty much a well, here's a 14 case, here's a 15 battery, and here, and here's the 13 camera, and we're gonna put this all together and call it a 16 SE or a 16E. Is there a development team in the back smoking glass pipes and getting high as a kite? I'm wondering. And at the price they're wanting for that thing, whee, they must be getting high in the back. Yeah, it makes you wonder. Everything in life is getting weird lately. All we can do is pray, keep our focus on us, and try not to let the world irritate us too much. Because I can tell you, the world's getting very irritating. And yeah, just throwing people off the roof is not acceptable. Why not? Seriously, serious. Some days you just gotta wonder. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing good out there. It is the start of the weekend for y'all. I hope you have a blessed weekend with lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. I know I'm gonna have to get to bed so I can get to work tonight. Uh, Tomorrow I'm gonna have to make sure I go and do laundry. Probably won't get it hung up, but I'll at least get it done, I'm hoping. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Come along for the ride if you want to come along for the ride, or not if you don't. Again, choices, you get to make them. I make mine and live with them. You get to make yours and live with them. Hopefully, well, if you make bad ones, hopefully you survive the bumper. If not, well, bad choices have consequences. Ouch. Stupid hurts. Anyway, I have my own stupidities to deal with. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.